Hi everyone, welcome to another video series of Geekswhite, and in this video I am going to tell you about C#. Okay, so this is not like a step-by-step tutorial, and so it is just like a revision that you already know programming language and you want to shift it to C#. Okay, so I'm guessing you already know C, C++ or Java. Okay, so let's learn here. So the main IDE used for C# is Visual Studio. So I'm here with Visual Studio, created a new project which is console based, and the name is Basic C#. Here you can find the Solution Explorer, your code files. Here is the output file where you can see the output or the errors, and here these are the different menus. Like if you want to build this application, build solution, okay, to run this you have to debug it with debugging or without debugging, and here you can find your different shortcuts. So let's learn our C#. So the first program we always write is hello world. So let's write it. So to write anything to the console in C# we use console.writeLine, but in Visual Studio we have got a shortcut. So we will write CW tab and just say hello world. Now save this and run this program. You can see that you have successfully written your first program. Okay, so the next thing is like we want to initialize or declare a variable. So let's say string name is equal to Ravi. Okay, and you want to print it. So you will say name Ravi. Save this, run this. You can see that you have initialized and used a variable. Okay, now next thing, okay, so you want to read it from the console. So to read it, let's say string name is equal to console dot for write we have to write. So for reading of input we will say read line. It's simple. Okay, and we will just print this thing. Okay, or let's say concat this variable with a string. So to concat it, use plus. Okay, and let's say hello Ravi. Oh, sorry, name is Ravi, so the output is hello Ravi. Okay, so in this way you can initialize a string. Okay, now one thing, let's consider you want to declare or initialize an integer variable. So you will write num1 is equal to console dot read line. Okay, here you are getting an error. What is this? Cannot implicitly convert type string to int. So we have to explicitly convert it. Okay, so to convert it we have to use convert dot to int 32. Okay, so let's initialize a second variable called num2. Okay, so copy this and paste it in a new line. Okay, and change it to num2. Okay, now just try to sum this. So CW num1 plus num2. Always put your expression into parentheses. Okay, now save this and run this. 3 5 you can see that number is 8. So what you want to format this, like you want to like print addition is equal to num1 plus num2. So as I told you, you can use plus operator and just say addition is equal to this. Now save this and try to run this. 4 5 addition is equal to 7. Like you have got different requirement, like you want to print num1 is equal to this, num2 is equal to this, and addition is equal to num1 plus num2. It is just like passing different parameter values. Okay, so num1 is equal to the value of first argument. Okay, num2 is equal to number of the second argument, and num3 is equal to, oh sorry, I don't know, net num3, and addition is equal to third, but indexing start from 0, so it will be 1 and this will be 2, and here you have to pass the parameter values. So num1 index is 0, okay, num2 index is 1, and this is our addition. Okay, now save this and run this program. Just say 5 and 6. You can see that num1 is equal to 5, num2 is equal to 6, and addition is equal to 11. Okay, so in this way you can format your string or output parameters. Okay, so let's comment this and let's learn about some string values, string operation. Okay, similarly you can do like for addition you can perform subtraction or whatever the operation you can do that. Okay, so let's learn about string. Let's say string first name is equal to my first name is Ravi. Okay, and string last name is equal to Solanki. So can you guess my full name? Yeah, it is obviously first name plus last name. Just print this full name. Now save this and try to run this. So you can see that Ravi Solanki, but there is no space here. So for a space we can easily concat this with one space. Okay, so just do this. Now save this and run this. Okay, got it? Okay, so one thing more. So in this way you can concat this, and to concat we have got also other methods like here CW, we have got string class, string dot, you can get different methods here like concat, to concat anything, copy, empty, equals, format, in turn, is null or empty, join, blah blah and blah. So we need concat, so we will need say string dot concat object value. So first name comma last name. Okay, now try to run this code. You can see that we have used a string class method to concat this. You can also use append, which is in the string builder class. So let's create a string builder class. String builder sv is equal to new string builder and pass it the value of first name. Okay, so string builder class provides many different methods for string manipulation. As you know that string are immutable, that you cannot change, but string builders from a string builder class you can change it. Okay, so let's print sw dot append last name. Okay, I am not using anything. Okay, cause sv has already the value of first name. So save this and control F5 to run this. You can see that in this way you have concatenated anything. Okay, so let's okay like you want to replace any word in this, like my name is Ravi Solanki, but I want to change it to like Kavi Solanki. So let's say KW. Okay, we will say sp dot okay replace the old character, that is R, and I want to change it from the new character, which is K. This is not the double quote, it is a carry value, so it is single quote. Control F5, you can see that Ravi changed to Kavi. So in this way you can play with different methods available in string builder class. Okay, So let's now learn about substring. Okay, as my full name is Rav, first name plus last name. Okay, now you want to say full name dot substring. Okay, and you just want to print from first character to 4 character. So the array index start from 0. Okay, and we need the length. So start from the 0th index and print the value up to 4 character. Now save this and F5. You can see that Ravi. Okay, now let's change it to, like, I want to change it to 6. Control F5. Ravi, yes. So in this way you can manipulate your strings. Okay, so that's all for this video. In the next video I will tell you about the basic operations like if else condition, loops and all. Till then, stay tuned. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Have a good day ahead.